Cheerful and healthy children are not only a blessing to the family, but also portray a picture of growth and development of the country. But sadly, in India, this picture is not that encouraging. Even today, a major population of the country is facing health challenges. A very large section of our society, especially small children, adolescent boys and girls, along with pregnant and lactating women, is still malnourished. Low consumption of lentils, animal and fish products, fruits and vegetables, all of which are rich sources of vitamins and minerals, leads to micronutrient deficiencies. This vicious cycle of malnutrition is passed on from one generation to the next. Malnutrition also becomes a forerunner of illness. The roadmap for a healthy India is full of challenges, but the good news is that we have started moving in the right direction. Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, GAIN, which has been funding nutrition improvement programs in 30 countries, started its first major project in India, in Rajasthan, an integrated program strategy for staple food fortification to address the problem of micronutrient deficiencies. Because of its expertise and experience in the rural health sector, GAIN chose to partner with Institute of Health Management Research University to implement this project. To reduce the widespread micronutrient deficiencies and improve the nutritional status of millions of people, an efficient, well-demonstrated and a cost-effective strategy was chosen: food fortification. The addition of one or more essential nutrients into a commonly consumed food is termed as food fortification. Our meal is incomplete without wheat flour chapati, and all the sections of our society consume it. The project supported the roller flour mills and the large-scale chakkis that mill the wheat flour on a large scale and provided them with a premix of iron, folic acid and vitamin B12. Necessary training to the staff and equipment to ensure appropriate fortification was also provided.
हमें IIHMR के द्वारा प्रीमिक्स को मिलाने के लिए मिक्सर जो कि कंप्यूटराइज्ड है वो उपलब्ध कराया गया है। एक मशीन एंटोलेटर है जिसके द्वारा आटे की शेल्फ लाइफ भी बढ़ती है और वो प्रीमिक्स भी अच्छी तरह मिक्स होकर के पब्लिक के बीच में जाता है। फूड फोर्टिफिकेशन के जो हेल्थ के बेनिफिट्स मिले हैं, इसकी वजह से लोगों को स्वास्थ्य में सुधार, हमारे खून में हीमोग्लोबिन की क्वांटिटी कम थी, हमारे एरिया की जो सबसे बड़ी समस्या है दौसा जिले की, वो दूर की है। और मैं इसके लिए बार बार IIHMR को और गेन को धन्यवाद दूंगा।
गेन से हम करीबन 2 या 3 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं और इनका काफ़ी सपोर्ट है हमारे पास। टाइम टू टाइम ये लोग ट्रेनिंग भी देने आते हैं हमारे केमिस्ट को, जो कि गवर्नमेंट द्वारा नियुक्त किया गया है। प्लस आटे की टेस्टिंग के लिए फ्री किट भी अवेलेबल करा रहे हैं, जिससे उसकी गुणवत्ता की जांच की जा सके और जनता को फोर्टिफाइड आटा अवेलेबल हो सके।
The awareness about fortification in such remote areas has been a result of the smart and effective communication activities of GAIN and IIHMR University. Awareness creation activities included street plays, puppet shows, public rallies, wall paintings, drawing competitions in schools, and focus group discussions. The focus of these activities was to create public awareness about the ill effects of malnutrition and how consumption of fortified food helps to improve the health. Along with effective awareness generation activities, training was given to food inspectors, field staff, and workers of the commercial food processing units who became partners in the food fortification program. The project has ensured high quality standards at all levels of the fortification process. Staff of roller flour mills were given training on ensuring hygiene and adopting all the processes and procedures for quality assurance and quality control. Only integrated and combined efforts at all levels can help us fight against malnutrition.
Through the Food Fortification Project, we are very happy that we are improving the health and nutritional status of people of Rajasthan. 1 million people with wheat flour, which is fortified with iron, folic acid and B12.
The Rajasthan state government has taken a historic decision of using the public distribution system for making fortified food products available to the masses through open market channels. Such decisions not only reinforce the approach of GAIN, but also give an exponential boost to its efforts. With the increasing awareness about the advantages of consuming fortified foods, the state of Rajasthan is slowly but surely moving towards becoming a state of healthier and happier people. Our efforts of enriching foods is now enriching lives.